Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this minimal makeup for hot summer days. It's really for when I'm either in the rush or if I just want to look put together but you know I'm kind of lazy, or if I'm just going out like real quick. Sometimes my sister's like, oh let's go out, I'm like, oh yeah, but I look like, you know. So this takes me like 5 to 10 minutes, not even. You guys gonna see it's really easy, and actually looks like as if I put on a full face of makeup, but I actually didn't. But keep in mind that we're kind of like losing a lot of steps, so it might not last all day. So this is really just quick, like running errands, whatever. You want to look put together, you want to look fresh, you want to look like glowy, and you just want to be out of the door real quick. So yeah, this is actually did this look yesterday. I thought it was really nice, so I thought I would film it for you guys. But before we go to the tutorial, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my videos. Of course, I wouldn't force you on anything, but you know, just yeah. So if you want to see this really fast makeup tutorial, just stick around. Okay, so what you want to do first is moisturize your face, just your normal step that you usually do. So I'm going to start with my Hydra Genius moisturizer, the one that's mattifying. It's for oily skin. After that, I'm going to take my primer. So today I thought I would just use a smoothing primer. If you want, if you have really oily skin, you can always use a mattifying primer, it'll be better. So I'm just gonna use this one. After that, I'm just gonna put on some powder to like take out the excess sebum that I might have, because I do have oily skin. So I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just gonna kind of set my face before I put on the next step. I'm just using my beauty blender. So I put most of the product like in the middle, wherever my face is really oily. You can press it on as much as you can. I'm just gonna let it set. While it sets, I'm just gonna do my brows really quickly so you don't waste any time. So I'm just gonna use my Brow Wiz by Anastasia. My brow routine is gonna be down below if you guys want to see the full tutorial on my brows. You guys seen me do it like 100 times. Okay, so my brows are filled in, so now my face was set for a few minutes. I'm just gonna take a brush. I'm gonna take like a kabuki dense brush like this. I'm just gonna take off the excess. So what you want to do next, it takes take your concealer. It has to be not a brightening concealer, just the same concealer to cover your blemishes. So it has to be like your same shade as you. So what I'm going to do is I cover the dark spots that I have here and here with my concealer. I'm going to cover my under eyes, and I'm just going to clean up my brows. You don't have to put as much as me, but I do have a lot of like blemishes. I said in my last video I've been breaking out a little bit more than usual. I did put around my mouth because I do have some discoloration, and under my eyes because you don't want to look tired basically. So I'm just gonna let it set for a few seconds. So what you want to do is take your beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend all of the concealer. so now that our concealer is blended out, your face should look something like this. So you see like most of your blemishes are covered. Honestly, this coverage is going to be like really medium coverage. It's up to you. This next step, it's really up to you if you want it to be more full coverage. That's when you're going to use a powder that's going to be more full coverage. For me, my powder is really medium, so I'm just going to keep it light and everything. So what I'm using is the LA Girl powder in the color Caramel. It's the pressed powder. So it looks like this. And I'm just gonna take a kabuki brush like this, dense one. I'm just gonna put it all over, and this is gonna be my coverage for the day. So you just wanna take some like this and press it. Yeah, so this is basically it for the face. Right now you can do your bronzer, your lashes, your highlight, your lips, however you want it to be. For me, I'm gonna keep it like really simple because to me this is my simple look for every day when I'm in a rush or when I just want like just the minimal amount of makeup. So I'm just gonna use my Bobbi Brown bronzer. Gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm using my Master Chrome highlight. I'm just gonna put lip gloss, my Fenty Beauty, what's it called? Gloss Bomb in Universal. Today, no lip liner, nothing, just gloss. So this part is gonna be key for you. What you wanna do next is if you have oily skin and you're like me, you wanna use something that's gonna absorb all your oils and it's gonna last all day. So for me, I'm gonna use my All Nighter by Decay. So right now we have a lot of powders, so we're looking a lot like really powdery. So you do want to set your face just so everything looks put together, everything's gonna melt together, and it's gonna look like skin. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how it looks. Yeah, it was really easy. You guys saw it was really easy, like few steps only. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, and obviously like if I wasn't doing a tutorial it would take me like maybe 8 minutes to do. It's really quick, and I mean I look good right now. I could go out, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just put a like if you like the video, comment, of course I love your comments and I always respond to my comments, and subscribe because I want to see you back, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.